welcome back to my channel. It's me, LaWanda Rose, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the perfect puff, okay? I usually do this when it's like maybe it's day 2, day 3 of like my wash and go. So I'm just going to show you guys how long my hair is. So you'll need a blow dryer, some gel. Yes, I'm using Eco Styler gel, a hair tie. You need a hair tie. Without further ado, let's get started. I feel like I look so washed out, but it's okay because I'll fix my lighting. Alright, so we're gonna start back here. And if you like look at my hair, it looks like, it just looked like really short, you know? So we're just gonna section it off like that much. And I'm gonna put the rest up in the bun. Okay, so you're gonna just take this and then kind of like section it with your hands, and then just take this part and then you're just gonna blow dry this. Alright, now as you can see, my hair has grown a tad bit. It's still a little bit damp towards the ends. I'm gonna let it like kind of dry, but we're gonna proceed on to the rest of the hair. Okay, so I almost forgot. You also need a scarf. You also need one of these things. It comes in handy. And then I got my scarf so I can lay down my edges whenever I'm done. All right, so I'm just gonna proceed. Okay, so after you've blow dried 98% of your hair, it should look something like this. Just shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh! Whew. So you guys said, good thing I'm not wearing my hair out today because I don't know. I would have to like do some serious picking. But I did a poll on my Instagram, and the majority of you said that you wanted me to do my hair in a puff as opposed to an afro. So yeah, maybe next time I'll do an afro, but today it's gonna be a puff. The puff, it actually takes less time, which is great because I'm kind of pressed. A little pressed, and now it has so much more movement because my hair is kind of separated when I blow dry it. It separates my hair. Girl, I said I was gonna use a little bit of gel. Should I? Using the whole thing? Now the reason why I said I don't want to brush my hair is because I want my hair to have as much texture still as possible. Yeah. So usually I typically go for a bigger hair tie, but like I said, we're pressed. Pressed for time. Pressed like a panini. So after that, you're gonna smooth and gently get your hair. I need y'all to see all of this magic. You're gonna hold that hair tie down and you're just gonna release, right? And as you release, you're gonna take your hair with your fingers. Oh my goodness. And you're just gonna fluff it, bop it, fluff it. So then I'm just gonna take my pick and pick it out. just a little bit, just to further the puffication of the hair stimulation. A little bit of gel on here. And I'm gonna grab my edge brush really quickly. And make sure you wash this little edge brush. Like, don't be out here bad, man. So I'm just gonna gently do just a few baby hairs, because this puff is so big, like you can't really see my baby hairs or edges if I must. Well, and then you can leave this on your head for, I would say, about 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes if your hair is like still wet. But yeah, this is it, guys. Let me know what y'all thinking. All right, hopefully this helps some people out. If not, it should have. Okay, I'm out of here. Be blessed, conquer the day, and peace.